viewers, welcome back to my channel Pharmacypedia. I'm back with an interesting video session for on the topic food inspector. Yes, my dear students, the pharmacy students has one more option to explore, that is as a food inspector. So in my last session, I explained to you about the drug inspectors. In this session, I'm going to discuss with you all about the food inspectors. What are the different eligibility requirements? What are the qualification requirements? How much is the salary? What skills are being required to become a food inspector? So without wasting the time, let us begin the session. If you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important contents related to pharmacy. So let us first try to understand what is a food inspector. Like any inspector, the food inspectors have special powers to look for any sort of the contamination which may exist while preparation of the food is being taking place. So whether you talk about any restaurant or any of the food place, the food has to be prepared in a completely hygienic condition as per the laws. And if any organization, if any outlet is not following the standard norms, then the person when it is the task of the food inspector to inspect the premises and to check whether the food prepared is of adequate quality or not. So my dear students, so like any other inspector, food inspector inspects the privately owned outlets to check for the way in which the food is being prepared out. So the person has to adequately have a touring job, like outdoor jobs, and they have to visit different sorts of the premises, take the samples, analyze it, whether it is meeting the required hygienic standards or not. So they have to go to the meat plants, poultry plants, they have to see how slaughtering is being taken place, the condition is like sanitation is takes place regularly or adequately or not, and it ensures that the product which is being finally produced is fit to eat or not, because otherwise what will happen that they will have their monopolies and it may happen that the food is not prepared as per the hygienic condition which is very much required. So my dear students, the food inspector job is very critical in a way that they own the responsibility of checking whether the food prepared is of utmost quality or not as per the standards. Talking about the further duties of the food inspectors, they have to inspect the premises, they have to take away the samples, they have to check whether the manufacturing plant is labeling the products on properly or not. They have to check and any sale which for any food item which can be of hazardous to the public health. So the job is very critical. So it is one of the excellent options for the pharmacy students also. In my last session, I discussed with you about the drug inspector. So one of the major area where the pharmacy students can explore is the food inspector position. So if you check the eligibility requirement, pharmacy students are eligible to participate as food inspectors. So you can explore about the different sorts of the criterias if you are interested in a profession which demands that kind of the thing. So any person who is having degree in food technology, dairy technology, biotechnology, oil technology, agricultural sciences background students, veterinary services, biochemistry students, microbiome, or having master's degree in chemistry or a degree in medicine from the recognized university are actually eligible for the food inspector post. Then other requirements included varies from state to state. Now again there are two types of the job, central and the state one. So like for state they put up the notifications and you have to check the official notifications for further eligibility requirements. Talking about the food inspector skills and competencies. Now I told you about the educational background. Other requirements include they have to be prepared for the more physical mobility because they have to visit different outlets and it's an on-field job. Then they should have good vision also. They should be have color identification features also. There should be no significant impairment or color blindness. Other eligibility criteria includes, like I have told you in the initial also, like they can be from the pharmacy background, agricultural background, food technology, dairy technology. So this is graduate in any of such kind of the field can apply for the job of food inspector. Talking about the age limit for this job is specifically around 18 to 42 years. Now again, it depends on the state and it varies. The upper limit varies from state to state also. So you have to check the official notification. The other qualities, now again this is important because like the major quality I told you, they should have the like since the job requirement is on field, so they have more physical requirements as well as good communicational skills because they have to interact with a lot of the people. Then they should be completely physically fit. They should have good observation skills because this is a job whereby you have to look for the contamination here and there while preparation in the food. So they should have good observation skills, and they should have a good focus on and concentration on the work also, like how the final food product, they should be able to tell whether the food finally product is meeting all the required standards and norms or not. So, my dear students, pharmacy students, if you're interested in a profession which where you want a field jobs and you want to inspect the outlets, so one of the good option is food inspector also. So, like you can plan for it, you meet all the eligibility criterias, then you can, because the paper pattern is like similar to other drug inspector exams only. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy.